Hello student. Today I am going to give you lecture on psychology. My topic is aims or importance of guidance. As you all know that guidance is a purposeful activity which directs the individual throughout his life. The basic aims of the guidance are that guidance helps in developing awareness in the individual about his own abilities, capacities, and limitations. Thus, it results into the effective adjustment. Then, guidance aim at exploration of the talent of the individual and helps in their blooming. Guidance aims at providing vocational opportunities according to one's vocational aptitude. It means it helps in putting round pages into round holes. And guidance aims at all round development of the individual's responsibility by balancing cognitive affective development. Thus, guidance strives for the development of good citizens for the country. Guidance help in producing good leaders in a democratic country like India. Dr. Lap Singh in his book of guidance explains the importance of guidance in the following way, which I am going to read for you. First is that guidance reduces educational and vocational wastage. Guidance helps in deleting educational stagnation. Third is guidance removes vocational maladjustment and finds out measures. 4. Guidance prevents student from educational maladjustment. 5. Guidance assists in controlling personal problems and in developing the habit of self-help. In brief, we can say that it is urgent need of the hour in Indian conditions that we should develop desirable trait in our young ones. It is only possible by guidance. Only then we can avoid the communal and linguistic tensions and work for the national integration. National Policy on Education 1986 mentioned a few steps to implement it in a rational manner so that country goes smoothly in the next century. This is schematic representation of guidance in being summarized as national development. How when we give individual a development chances of development, then the whole nation is going to be developed in that manner. So these are the main aims or importance of guidance.